Theta value equivalent to $0.7730 a coin. The present range, 74 cents 83 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 83 cents. The change was 0.0651, 7.77%. Backwards rate, USD to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at $0.83. Most extreme cost 91 cents. Least cost 71 cents. The normal for the month 81 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 78 cents. Change for June 6.0% in a significant manner. Theta to USD expectations for July 2023. Before all else cost at $0.78. Greatest cost 85 cents. Least cost 68 cents. The sort of normal for the month 76 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 73 cents. Change for July 6.4%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $0.73 incredibly. Most extreme cost 73 cents, especially least cost 58 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 67 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 62 cents. Change for August 15.1%. Theta to USD expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at $0.62. Most extreme cost 63 cents. Least cost 55 cents in an unobtrusive way. The very normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 59 cents. Change for September 4.8%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset cost at $0.59. Greatest cost 59 cents. For the most part least cost 51 cents. The normal for the month 56 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 55 cents. Change for October 6.8%. Theta to USD expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.55. Greatest cost 64 cents. Least cost 55 cents. The sort of normal for the month 59 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 60 cents. Change for November 9.1% in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.60, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 75 cents. Least cost 60 cents, which is genuinely huge. The normal for the month 66 cents, which sort of is very huge. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 70 cents. Change for December 16.7% in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta to USD expectations for January 2024, or so they explicitly thought. Before all else cost at $0.70, which is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost 70 cents. Least cost 55 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. The very normal for the month 64 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 59 cents. Change for January 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.59, or so they thought. Greatest cost 59 cents. Least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 50 cents. Change for February 15.3% in a quite enormous manner. Theta to USD expectations for WAC 2024, or so they thought. At the outset cost at $0.50. Most extreme cost 58 cents. Certainly least cost 50 cents in an unobtrusive way. The normal for the month 53 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 54 cents. Change for spring 8.0%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.54. Greatest cost 54 cents. Least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 51 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 50 cents. Change for April 7.4%, which is genuinely critical. Theta to USD expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.50. Most extreme cost 50 cents. Least cost 40 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 43 cents. Change for May 14.0% in a significant manner. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $0.43. Greatest cost 51 cents. Least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 48 cents. Change for June 11.6% in an unobtrusive way. Theta to USD expectations for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 26 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 24 cents. Change for July 4.0%. USD to Theta conversion scale equivalent to 1.2937 Thetas per $1. Today, S reach 1.1908 minus 1.3397. The past day, S nearby 1.1932 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.1005. Plus 8.42% incredibly. USD to Theta expectations for June 2023. To start with, cost at 1.205 Thetas in an unobtrusive manner. Greatest cost 1.408, least 1.099, which is genuinely critical. The really normal for the month 1.249. The USD to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.282, change for June 6.4%, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Theta conjecture for July 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before all else, cost at 1.282 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.471, certainly least 1.176. The very normal for the month 1.325. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 1.370, change for July 6.9%. USD to Theta expectations for August 2023. At the outset, cost at 1.370 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.724, least 1.370. The especially normal for the month 1.519. The USD to Theta gauge toward the month's end 1.613, change for August 17.7%. Dollar to Theta gauge for September 2023 in a significant manner. To start with, cost at 1.613 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.818, least 1.587. The normal for the month 1.678. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.695. Change for September 5.1% in a genuinely significant manner. USD to Theta expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at 1.695 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.961. Least 1.695. The normal for the month 1.792, or so they thought. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.818. Change for October 7.3%. Dollar to Theta figure for November 2023, which is very huge. Initially cost at 1.818 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.818, least 1.563 incredibly. The sort of normal for the month 1.717, which generally is very huge. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.667, change for November 8.3%. USD to Theta expectations for December 2023. Before all else, cost at 1.667 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.667. Beautiful least 1.333, which is genuinely huge. The normal for the month 1.524. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.429. Change for December 14.3%. Dollar to Theta figure for January 2020.